ABAT stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is American battery technology stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. So far, looking at ABAT, this is a beautiful bullish market. If I pop up here, you will see that I have a very good freaking demand area. In a situation regarding to this, you can see I have 3 weeks ago, 30th of June 2025, when this video was made, and it was like such a great color because at the time the price was like 145, and I don't know why it's not popping up right now. Right here it is. It was sitting at 147 at the time, and since that point, now we're 347. A beautiful color here that I just recently had, which is again made pre-market. It's a great freaking color. And since then, since we delivered, I'm looking to still double down, but not in a way that I'm going to randomly start buying. I want to see the price a little pull down a bit, and then I will buy. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.